Hello, all my dear friends. Here we got a LESU wheeled excavator, so all customized, painting and assembled by us. So we have this with blade, rear side stainless legs, and also changed 3-section arm. Original was 2 arm, this one 3-section arm. So with quick connection coupling for bucket, with 2 spare channel, with suspension oil 1 valve, so stop rolling. So totally this one have 10 channel valve. 1, 2, and the suspension 3 arm, 6, totally already 6, bucket 7, and quick connection 8, and 2 spare. So totally 10 channel distribution valve. Have 1 7 block at the rear side, and also another 2 valve separately, and another 1 valve separately for the suspension. So totally 10 channel valve. Let's start to see. Okay, so first we go to check the settings, go to function assign. Okay, so channel 1, that's the big arm. I will start pump directly to show you. Big arm J2. Okay, channel 2 VRG for quick coupling. Unlock, lock. Okay, put it back, lock it. That's channel 2. Channel 2 VRG quick connection coupling. Channel 3 and channel 4 SWLK and SWJI. That's for spare 2 channel. So for future upgrades for using grab. So when you pressing, you will hear the servo turning. That's 2 spare channel for channel 4 and channel 3. Channel 5, the bucket, J1. Bucket, J1. Channel 6, J3, front arm. Channel 7, that's plate turning, rotation, J4. Channel 8, hydraulic pump, VRA. Channel 9, throttle, that's for driver, VRD. Sliding down to see. Channel 10, steering, VRE. That's for steering. Okay, channel 11, SWA, that's a differential lock. Yeah, I will put pump on, put the standing leg, put the blade, raising it, you will see. So for driver, it's a differential. If I put channel 11 differential lock, SWA, it is locked. Now actual differential locked, channel 11 SWA. Channel 12 SWC, check. The suspension now can rolling with the suspension. Here have hydraulic cylinder. So inside the middle have 1 valve. So servo controlled hydraulic oil. So close the distribution valve, SWC, channel 12, close it. You cannot rolling it anymore. The valve, it is closed. So that's 12, SWC, stop rolling distribution valve. So channel 13, SWE, that's blade, start the pump. SWE channel 13, blade up and down. 13, SWE. Okay, 14, SWG, that's the standing leg. 14, SWG, standing leg, rear side. So after you assemble this front blade, no more position for the standing leg to put front. So you have to choose, you want front standing leg or you want front this blade, only choose one. So using all one same oil channel, yeah. So channel 15, lamp, SWF. Turn around, you will see the light. Channel 15, light all on. Also, if you check, also have the turning light. Channel 16, middle arm. 16 middle arm, VRF, start the pump. Middle arm, VRF, turning switch. Middle arm, moving it. Okay, channel 17, SWH, warning light. Changing mode. Okay, channel 18, no more. So totally used 17 channel. Let's operation one time. Rotation it. Drive forward, backward. Turning it. See the light. Rotation light. And start the pump. Pull down the standing leg for digging. Pull down blade as support. Start digging as for the arm and bucket. Raise it. Front arm, bucket out. This one I haven't set up all the control curve, so for better operation, better also set up all the curves so can mix control, start with the pump and all the arm and bucket moving same time smoothly. This one can be done by setting the control curve. So reaching down. And see the driver, stop the pump. Differential. And the front suspension rolling. Lock the suspension. Locked. Driving again. Lock the differential lock. Locked. Unlock. Okay, start the pump, take back the arms, and we will use the blade. Put flat on the table, take it back, put it down, going. Show the details, open the cabin. Inside have the screen showing battery voltage and oil temperature. Close it. So have protection net, mirror, turn it around. Here we have the suction filter, exhaust pipe. Open the cover. That's where I put the two receivers. So also for the ESC power switch all here. And battery is under there. Also rear side pull and open. It is locked. So here push the battery inside. And we have the pump motor here. Distribution valve here. And that's the cooler with the fan. I'll close it. Door open, you can see the cooler and a filter and also pressure gauge. Around 3 MPa. And here pressure release valve. Inside you can see the pump inside. Let's close it. Here that's oil tank, so open and fill up oil from here, maybe around 70 to 80 ml. Then you're moving oil all go into cylinder, air out, then fill up a little bit more to be enough oil supply. So from this position, you can see all the cylinder, two for the arm, and the oil hose coming from down with the block inside. Keep turning. Here we see this top one channel, that's oil hose for quick connections pin, hydraulic pin, with 2 channels spare. On top, cylinder for the bucket, cylinder for the front arm, and here cylinder for the middle arm. Thank you. This is a 3-section arm with a quick connection with blade. So LESU A0006 wheeled excavator with blade with rear side standing legs, 3-section arm, and quick coupling. So this one with light system but no have sound system. So for others, if you want to customize, also can try with sound system and smoking. Okay, thank you.